The inside looks bigger than previous gens.
So it is. So to give you an example, that car seat up there
Yeah.
sitting on the head and the back, so I can see when I first got it. My wife's driving a 2026 Red, she's like up against the seats, that car seat.
It's a little cramped.
Yeah, this one I can see all the way through.
Yeah.
And so my counterpart is 6'1", but he's able to sit in the back.
Thanks, sir.
All the way back and slip on.
It does look a lot bigger.
Yeah, it is. It is significantly bigger than the previous gen. What do you think on walking around town when you go? Yeah. Standard 2.5. So are you coming out? It's only on the state line. So it's actually your top.
Single turbo.
Yep.
Okay.
But you can. So we're gonna come out with a hybrid on this vehicle in 2027. So if you're looking for more power, it's gonna be kind of a sportier hybrid system. What it has, and you'll still get efficiency.
It's probably hard to get enough what my wife has now.
Yeah.
An X4.
Peanut.
It's fast, but I could feel like she's not a kid. She probably want more brain. But I don't know. Like, she really likes that car, and right now, like, me on my she's like sitting the other day. I don't know. He was
No more buttons. Bye-bye, buttons.
But yeah, I mean, I don't know. Like, this is pretty sick.
That's good. It's good. It's sleek looking. I know what you were saying about the gloss package. The gloss package almost looks like what BMW used to do on some of the X3. It had like the well, it looks sharp. That's like I like it. If they're gonna do awesome, I don't know why I like it.
Why don't they just stick with it?
I see that little orange.
Yeah.
So when you get the it gets chewed up by rocks.
Yeah.
See white specks.
Like, why not just make it regular plastic?
Yeah, that's on like the new
It wouldn't have been bad.
Palisade too. It's like I don't.
Have the same wheels? The plastic?
No, this is Premium Plus.
This is Premium Plus?
I believe so. Yeah.
Oh, this is a Premium Plus.
The higher trims have the black wheels.
Sweet. Premium Plus Turbo? No turbo on this one.
How dare you? How dare you?
No turbos. No turbos.
No turbos.
Is this sitting also higher?
It is slightly higher than it is.
Yep.
This is definitely higher. This is a sport tan. Superior sport tan.
So what is this gonna hate the, like the RAV4, the
RAV4, all the RAV4, CRV, Tucson.
is this the same like level trim of those like size or are about the same?
It's a bit, yeah, so it's roughly the same power size. So RAV4, we actually had more space than RAV4, single rear seat.
Yeah.
And then also Nissan Rogue.
The stacked headlights, we talked about the chin spoiler. Now one real quick look at just something that's going to be familiar is under the hood you still have your 2.5 liter Skyactiv G engine with 187 horsepower. It's made it to the 6-speed automatic from last year as well, but it has been reprogrammed a little bit for a bit quicker responsiveness. So it finally gives us that nicer ride quality that I mentioned before. You absorb bumps a bit better. Anybody ever heard the term, if you watch car reviews, sometimes they use the term porpoising. That's like if you watch a dolphin go through the water. It's something you don't want.
In the door, yeah, car seats. Anything else?
Being able to stack stuff on top.
Yeah, stacking thing, just getting boxes in and out. Getting cargo in and out. Anybody have any pets, any dogs? Any big dogs?
Oh, yeah.
So in some of my previous vehicles that I've had, I have a Jeep Compass or, so the opening is not as big. I've got a 110-pound dog. He's got to go in at a weird angle. He's 10 years old and I'm this opening larger, having the door open further and having more space along the bottom to get in and out is going to be helpful for a number of different reasons.
BMW-ish? I don't know. You guys, this is a BMW store, so you tell me. But, what was that? Yeah.
Don't ask Devin.
What was that?
Don't ask Devin.
So, but you could, there's three different looks here that you can change between. You got like a basic look, And then you can go back to some of the, you know, what your car is doing there in the front. And then Crombie or Hollister or whatever, right? It'll find the door that you need to go in for Hollister or whatever store you want to go to, and it'll say, go into door D, here's the directions. So instead of
That's
just
awesome.
going to the basic address and you got to find where you're going for 15 minutes, it'll do all that for you. So really cool stuff. You are. It's not recommended to sell the first two because then you won't have anything to show. Yeah. So. Okay, I see. But yeah.
You know what color it is?
I don't. I can tell you.
You said 38.9.
Yes.
What time did you leave? 12:30?
We'll have to set time. I mean, I don't know what time it is, but I can stick around. That's a really good.
Yeah.